Sony offers the Xperia Ace line of mobile devices exclusively in Japan. Well, recent rumors are suggesting that's gonna change with the new Xperia Ace IV. It's believed that Sony may be considering making its Ace lineup available to the global market. Before we dive into spec side of things, let me ask you, do you enjoy such videos? If so, maybe consider subscribing, it will be a big help. With that said, let's get back to the Ace IV. Most of the information has arrived from Weibo, so take this information with a pinch of salt. This phone will come with a 5.5-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, so a small phone by today's standard. Compared to Ace III, there are a lot of improvements like from LCD to OLED, from HD Plus to Full HD Plus, and also the aspect ratio from 19:9 to 21:9, which is common in Sony smartphones. So a lot of improvements here. About processor, it could come with Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 chip. By the name itself, you might think this is a low-powered, useless chip. But no, it's not like that. It compares to Snapdragon 695, which you'll find in Xperia X Mark IV. So the performance is great along with support for 5G. According to the rumors, the chip will have 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, up from 464 GB. This phone ought to have a microSD card slot as is tradition, and like any proper Xperia, it should be water resistant and include a 3.5mm headphone jack, so it's a complete package. Well, I forgot to tell you about battery. It comes with 4500 mAh capacity and 18W charging, so for a smaller phone this will do just fine. Well, that's it. That's all we know right now, but still there's time as it's expected to launch next year. With that said, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.